Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Poco C65 and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Poco, and Poco is finally launching a smartphone here in the Pakistan market after a long time. So on the bottom it says we have 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, and this phone is costing around 45,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And you can see, and the color I have is the black color, and this phone is made in China, which I did not expect that. So here's the box of the Poco C65. Now let's open this box. On the top we are getting our device. Now let's start the phone from this box. As you can see again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Poco C65. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, 50 megapixel AI triple cameras. We also have 6.7 inch 90 Hz smooth display. We also have 18 watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. So now let's remove this plastic, and now let's start the phone from this wrapping. As you can see here, it's the black color looks like. Again, we have a Poco branding, and the bottom side we have matte finish, while on the top around the camera module we have glossy finish. Although the back it is made up of plastic. Now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's remove this as well. And now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So the first thing, we're getting a simulation tool, and right there here is our quick start guide as well as a warranty card. And guys, you can see that it is a 10 watt normal charger, but and Poco is support maximum 18 watts, so I wish that we have 18 watt adapter in the box. And here is our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, as you can see. And this phone, it is really overpriced because we are getting only 18 watt as well as a Helio G85. So anyways, now let's put all these things to the side. And on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. On this side we have our SIM tray, and now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. We also have a rubber gasket. So on the top we are getting a headphone jack. On the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. On the back we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel macro as well as a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. And this phone has a 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. And that's another bad thing about the Poco C65. We also have a water top notch. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here's the first boot of the Poco C65. Guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a 720p IPS LCD display. So here's the max brightness looks like. And the display, it is, I would say, really decently bright. Although the colors, it is not looks really great. This phone is running on Android 13. We also have MIUI version 14. We have 256 GB of internal storage out of 224 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works fast, and refresh where it is on default. And now let's go 90 Hz. Yes, 90 Hz. It feels okay, I would say. I wish that we have a 1080p IPS LCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate minimum on this phone, as well as a MediaTek Helio G99 on this phone, because Helio G85 is a really slow SoC. Anyways, now let's look at the camera. And here is the camera UI looks like. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. So here's the main camera looks like. Here is the video mode, full HD at 30 fps. Here is our time lapse, portrait mode, and here is our night mode. Here is our 50 megapixel mode. Now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone only has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. As you can see in the selfie camera, it looks completely trash. Front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps again, and the video quality is our time lapse. Here is our portrait mode, night mode not available with the front facing camera, and slow motion it is also not available with the back camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. And this phone has 5000 mAh battery size with the 10 watt normal charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco C65. I am expecting more about the Poco, but this phone it is really disappoint me because every single thing about this phone it is not acceptable. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.